Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi 12C, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this phone. Now to get started, simply pull down your notifications, extend the list, and on one of the pages you will see a power saving mode, or exactly called battery saver, down here. So once you see this little icon with the battery saver under it, press on it. This will light up on green and also give you this pop-up right here, so turn off when device is 50% or fully charged. So there we go. And now just to clarify, power saving mode on here most likely, though I am uncertain if that is the case, will turn off your Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is not being used. So when you lock it and just leave it alone, it disables them, and because of that you might not be receiving notifications from apps that require internet connection. And just to name a few of these apps: Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, OnlyFans. So yeah, so obviously if you experience anything like that, that is because of your power saving mode. Now to turn it off, you can either obviously charge it to 50% or higher, or you can just find the toggle, tap on it, and it will be turned off. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.